Alright, so when we finished our dihybrid cross, this ratio was presented to us, the 9331. What does that mean? That's the phenotypical ratio, and phenotype is what you see in the environment. So that means out of those 16 boxes, so if you either got there this way or you got there, through the mathematical method, you had 9 of the 16 were round and yellow, 3 were round and green, 3 were wrinkled and yellow, and 1 was wrinkled and green. And remember, round and yellow are both dominant traits, which is why we see a lot more of them in the environment than the recessives, which is wrinkled and green. Now, that's the phenotypical ratio. What does that mean? That means the round yellow could have been contributed either by big R, big Y, big Y, big R, little r, big Y, big R, big Y, little y, or big R, big Y, little y. So the phenotypical ratio for round and yellow is made out of these 4 genotypes. So all 4 of these are round and yellow. So this is why it's a phenotypical ratio, not a genotypical ratio. Same thing with the round and green. Contributing here could have been big R, little y. Has to be 2 little y's because that gives us the green. Could have been big R, little y, and that's it. Those are the only 2 combinations that could have yielded that, because the round can be either homozygous or heterozygous, but the color has to be recessive. For the wrinkled, you could have had little r, big Y, and little r, little y, little r, big Y. So those would be the only 2 possible genotypes that can give you wrinkled yellow. And of course, for wrinkled green or pure recessive for both traits, the only thing that'll get us that is little r, little y, both traits being recessive, which is why you see 9 of these, because so many more combinations can give you that versus only 1 of those, because only 1 combination can get you that. The equivalent in simple Punnett squares would be, let's say if we were to cross just color, so yellow versus green, so we took a pair of hybrid parents, so we're just doing just color, not 2 traits, you would get your big Y. Wow, big Y. We're really on my game today. So let me correct that real quick. Through the power of white out, we correct our mistake. So phenotypically, this simple cross will give you yellow, green. So 3-to-1 ratio. This is where that 3-to-1 came from. Genotypically, again, that's not 100% accurate, because again, you have yellow versus green, and yellow can be gotten from big Y, little y, while this can be only little y. So just making a comparison, this is a simple Punnett square with just a single trait. When you cross a pair of hybrids, this is a dihybrid cross when you're comparing 2 traits at the same time. The ratio there is 9-3-3-1 as opposed to the 3-1 for the simple cross. And again, it's a phenotypical ratio, just like it is phenotypical here. And those are the genotypical ratios that get you those particular traits. Alright, that's all that I wanted to show you. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.